So here we are, welcome back to another video. In this video you're going to be seeing two pieces of artwork that I painted recently. They're kind of both got negatives to them. I'm kind of not happy with both of them, but looking back on one of them there are some positives to take from it. And the biggest positive to take from both of them is that I believe that if you fail at a piece of artwork you probably learn more than winning with a piece of artwork that you're really happy with. Unless you go back and analyse it to the nth degree, you probably won't learn much. But I personally generally stew over poor pieces and things I'm not happy with, and that way I think that's quite positive, because then I can take them forward and learn from them more than I will if I just do a really good piece and that's it, kind of walk away happy. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. On to the two bits of artwork you're just about to see. I hope you enjoy.
Clearly an AP two-tone.
Yeah, they tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. Best if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. Yeah, I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus case. They sippin' only 96. I can do it on my own, yeah. They judging me up on mistakes. This flow is so heavenly. Most of my friends and frenemies. They tryna bring out the beast. I'm batting 1,000, my game is elite. I'm running around in the streets. They tryna catch up, but they still can't compete. I thought they got in my sleep. He told me keep going, cause you got the lead. Count it up, all the brodies came through, then we added up. They was asking me questions, I had it up. I've been running with God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that antidote. They been pointing me on like I'm one of those. I can see why they hate, that just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go. I don't think they get it, they don't understand. I'ma do it for my homies and my fans. They don't see the vision, they just see the band. Eyes on the money like a rubber band. His number one, I follow his command. You can try it, you won't get a chance. I'ma keep on going till I can, and abiding by His plan. They tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. It's best if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus case. They sippin' only 96. I can do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes.
Silver step into the play, you bet I'ma hit it. What I'm doing in this game, I did in a scrimmage. Rappers wanting all this beef and burning up bridges. Deep down they dealing with pain, they just wanna admit it. Won't stop till I get it, speed it up when I'm winning. It's silver and undefined, period, no sentence. They tryna give me the fitting, I'ma say Jesus and risk it. Treasure in heaven, generation with them, I pass the baton on my jits. Had to make sacrifices for this. I can fake, had to cut off some friends. Vision laid ever since the beginning. Go get the bad, then bring it in. Every L was a lesson.
There in heaven, there in hell. You know where I take it and you know I do it well. When I come through, better show up respect. I ain't want nothing but that motherfucking check. You can catch me at your door, you can catch me in your home. Oh, you're running late, just send the address to my phone. Copy, paste and go. Baby, don't be playing with me. I could come through and take off your shit. Take off your gear, take off your keys. If you hold back, that's the wrong way to be. Don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me. If you hold back, just remember this, please. Alright, alright. They try, but they'll never get by, baby. Alright, alright. You can try, but you'll never get by, baby. Alright, alright. They try, but they'll never get by, baby. Alright. Anything goes, but don't go with me. If you hear talking, stay silent to eat. I already see right through you, honey. I don't need no time waster, no more time waster. If you keep running, just stay on your toes. You know I don't play by.
So that is it for this video. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of those two pieces of artwork. The lion tiger thing is the it was a lion. It was. That is what I kind of look back on and believe wasn't as bad as I initially thought, but I learned a lot from that. Kind of went away, analysed what was wrong, and basically I just kind of muffed up all of the colour choices. I should have just stuck to like 3 main colours, and that was it. And kind of regionalised the colours where they were placed on the piece. It would have mean it was less jumbled, but anyway, I won't go into specifics right now on this video. But yeah, leave me a comment. Tell me one of the biggest lessons you've learned from a failed piece. And yeah, give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, please don't unsubscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. That's going to be a really good one. Cheers, bye.